As this year's February storm melts away, we remember last year's deadly winter storm that left millions of people without power and water. But for one family, there was a huge blessing to come out of that storm. CBS Austin's Lindsay Regis revisits an Austin couple a year after they made the drive during last February's storm that would change their lives for the better.
Bill actually had cancer when he was a teenager, and so the treatments from that left us unable to have biological children.
CBS Austin's Lindsay Regis.
Last Mother's Day, we introduced you to Will and Corinne Baker, a couple that braved last year's deadly winter storm for their second shot to be parents.
Last year at this time, of course, we were experiencing a lot of anxiety and uncertainty if our embryo transfer would even happen, and just feeling really hopeful that it would.
On February 15th, 2021, in the middle of the storm, the Bakers got the call they had been waiting months for, an opportunity they couldn't pass up, their second embryo transfer.
Just to be able to make it to the clinic, to Dr. Kavoussi safely, and to make it back safely, that was a gift.
Dr. Shahryar Kavoussi and his team made the drive to St. David's South Austin Medical Center, then spent the night due to the dangerous weather conditions, all in hopes that this embryo transfer for the Bakers wouldn't be like the first.
I mean, we do everything we can to make this happen for our couples, for our patients, and yes, I would definitely do it again.
I'm telling her how great you are.
Now we introduce you to their 3-month-old son, Wesley.
Wesley is a great baby. He, never fusses. It's a wonderful thing.
Knowing the two were unable to have biological children, and after having one failed embryo transfer, the decision to make the drive during a storm was an easy one. But this easy decision would not have been possible without the embryo donors.
So my husband and I did IVF, and then when we decided to be done, we elected to donate our embryos.
A selfless choice after the loss of an infant.
We finally got pregnant with our son Clark, who was born prematurely, and then 2 days after he was born, he passed away. And then right after that, I had to have a hysterectomy.
At just 3 months old, healthy and happy Wesley Baker is bringing joy to not one, but two families.
God just really took two very broken situations and stories and created a whole new family for us.
Lindsay Regis, CBS Austin News.